and I have 3, so Corbin takes all of mine.
I won!
Oh, he took all my dominoes, so Corbin won.
Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures.
Hi, welcome to Corbin's Fun Adventures and Learning.
And you can see here I built something.
Yes, well, I'm Mommy and this is Corbin. And today we're going to be showing you some domino games today. Tongue twister domino games today. So right now Corbin is just playing with his dominoes right now. So what are you building?
What did I build?
Yeah.
I built a 9.
All right, so he built a number 9. Let's see if it falls down. Let's see. Perfect! Yay! All right, so we're going to show you our games. Stay tuned. Okay, so in this game, it's called the tallest tower, and we are going to see who can build the tallest tower within 4 minutes. So Corbin is going to put the timer on 4 minutes. Each of us have 20 dominoes, okay? And so at the end of 4 minutes, we'll see who can build the tallest tower. So we're going to get started. All right, set the timer and let's go.
Go, 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 go.
8 seconds. Let's leave that one off. All right, time is up.
Oh, we're both the same size, actually.
No, let's see. All right, so we're gonna measure. So Corbin's is about 7.5 inches, and mine is, oh, look, inches. Actually, we're tied.
Yeah!
All right, we're tied, so 7.5 inches. So we're gonna have to play again, but we won't do it in this video, but we'll play again to see who actually has the highest tower. So we tied, so good job.
All because Molly fell down and I caught up.
Yeah, all right, so we'll show you the next game. All right, so our next game is called I Declare War Dominoes. And so right now, each of us have 7 dominoes, and it's based off the card game I Declare War, but we're gonna show you how to play it. Stay tuned. All right, so in I Declare War Dominoes, we both have 7 dominoes, so we're gonna flip over 1. So I have 7, Corbin has 6.
Now Mommy takes it.
Yeah, so I'm gonna take it and put it in this pile. All right, we're gonna keep flipping over dominoes. I have 8, Corbin has 6, so I'm gonna take that and put it on my side. All right, let's keep flipping. I have 3, Corbin has 4, so Corbin takes that. All right, 2, 5, Corbin takes that. And you keep playing until one player has all the dominoes. All right, 6. All right, so now we have to play I Declare War.
I have enough.
I
declare
war dominoes. Oh, 3. And what's yours, Corbin?
4.
You gotta turn over 1. Turn over the last one.
Stop!
He has 12. Wait, you have I Declare War. You need one more dominoes.
Domino.
Okay.
Oh, 8!
8. And I have 3, so Corbin takes all of mine.
I won!
Oh, he took all my dominoes, so Corbin won.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Woo! Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.
It went up the stairs.
Yeah.
And knocked down this.
All right. Bye.
See, mine fell down. I'll do it again with sticks. See you in the next video. Bye.